Where does the name for Llandudno come from? So today I'm in Llandudno. It's a coastal town on the north coast of Conwy County. So the name Llandudno is made of two parts. First we have Llan. Now Llan is usually a settlement or an area of land attached to a church. And then we have Dydno. Now Dydno is the soft mutation of Tidno. It's the name of a saint from the 6th century who founded a church up on the Orme, on a gogarth behind us. Now St Tidno's name is quite interesting. It's made of two parts. First we have Tid. Now Tid is the old word for the tribe. And then we have no, which attaches to the end of a word and it means the knower of. So it's used to form a lot of old names in Welsh. Tidno is the knower of the tribe. Beino is the knower of blessings. And Cadno is the knower of battle. St Tidno, according to legend, was one of the sons of King Seithinen, who was the king of Cantre'r Gwaelod, the kingdom that sunk beneath the waves off Ceredigion. Now, because of his father's drunkenness and idiocy and sinfulness, he lost the kingdom. But in order to make up for that, he decided to pursue a life of holiness, of religion. He went to Bangor Coed, which is now Bangor-on-Dee, near Wrexham, and studied how to become a holy man, a monk. So after St Tidno left Bangor Coed, Bangor-on-Dee, to come and preach, he came here to the side of the Orme, the side of a gogarth, just above Llandudno, where he set up a church here. Now, the original church here was built in the 6th century, but this is a slightly newer one built in the 12th. That's fine. And also, could you get him? What? So literally, the town name means the settlement attached to the church of St Tidno. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Subscribe for more, give us a like, give us a share, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.